Hello guys, King Cobra vs Python, who would win a fight between these two snakes. The python and king cobra are two of the world's largest and deadliest reptiles. The king cobra, being the longest and venomous snake, can easily bring down an elephant. Similarly, the reticulate python is known to be the longest living snake species that can squeeze their prey, including humans, dead within a minute. So let us see what will be happen if the case of fight between python and king cobra. So before going to the video, we would like to remind you that if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned with us. One of the most feared and revered snakes on the planet, the king cobra is renowned for its imposing size and deadly bite. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. This native of South and Southeast Asia normally grows to be somewhere between 10 and 30 feet long. When threatened, king cobras spread their hoods to make themselves look bigger and raise their heads as high as 6 feet off the ground. Their venom attacks the nervous system. With a single bite, a king cobra can inject as much as 7 milliliters of venom. They specialize in eating other snakes. When these cobras attack, they target the base of their victims' heads, then kill by injecting a venomous cocktail that quickly shuts down nervous system and paralyzes their prey. The king cobra's toxic bite is powerful enough to kill an elephant. Now, let me tell you some important facts about python. Pythons are some of the largest snakes in the world. These big non-venomous snakes can range from 23 inches to 33 feet in length, and they can weigh from 7 ounces to 250 pounds. Pythons can move 1 mile per hour on the plant ground. They have head-sensing organs which help them locate their prey. Pythons are constrictors. They kill their prey by squeezing them until they stop breathing. After they kill an animal, they will swallow it in one piece. Size of the prey determines the time needed for digestion. Pythons attack their prey from the ambush, although they are excellent swimmers. The lifespan is from 15 to 30 years depending on the species. Now, let's move on to the biggest question. What do you think is the most fierce of these two, and who will be the winner? It's little hard to think, is not it? In fact, when we ever talk about python and king cobra's physical characteristics separately, it is very clear to you that these two are equal rivals. So it is said in many places that when there is a fight between these two, there is a more chance that both of them will die. So it means that these two have the power to beat each other. This is how the fight between most venomous and longest snakes ends up. So how about your idea on this? Don't forget to comment us on your thoughts. If this video is value for you, like the video and share with your friends. Stay safe all, and see you again in next interesting video.